Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today we have an interesting problem in front of us. This problem appeared in one of the Oxford Mathematics Admission Test examinations. Let's see how to go about solving this problem. The equation 8 to the power x plus 4 equals 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 has you've been asked to choose one of the four answers. No real solution. Does it have one or two or three real solutions? Let's go about solving this problem. So 8 to the power of 4x and 4 to the power of x, 8 to the power of x and 4 to the power of x can be rewritten as 2 to the power 3x, which is 2 to the power 3x plus 4 equals 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x plus 2, right? So we have rewritten the equation as 2 to the power 3x plus 4 equals 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x plus 2, right? So I can further simplify this equation like this. It's 2 to the power 3x minus 2 to the power 2x equals 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 4, right? And we know that 2 to the power a plus b equals 2 to the power a into 2 to the power b, right? So that way I can rewrite this as 2 to the power 3x minus of 2 to the power 2x equals 2 to the power x minus 1, I'm sorry, minus 1 into 4, right? So basically what I've done is 2 to the power x plus 2 is 2 to the power x into 2 square. I have pulled out 2 square, which becomes a common factor for this expression, right? For the RHS expression, right? Now I have with me, let's assume 2 to the power x equals y. So my first expression, which is 2 to the power 3x, is nothing but 2 to the power x the whole cube. So which means it becomes y cube. And then I have 2 to the power 2x is nothing but 2 to the power x the whole square, which becomes my y square. Let me do a small y of this, right? And that becomes equals 4 into y minus 1, right? I think now your equation is a lot more easier to simplify. So we have y cube minus y square equals 4 into y minus 1. So how do I further simplify this equation, right? So I rewrite this equation as y cube minus y square, sorry, minus of 4 into y minus 1 equals 0. I know that I have a common factor here, which is y minus 1. I'm pulling out y square out of the first two parts of this particular equation. So it becomes y square into y minus 1 minus of 4 into y minus 1 equals 0. Right now, y minus 1 is a common factor. I pull that out and I'm left with y square minus of 4 equals 0. And there we have three possible solutions to this equation: y minus 1 into y minus 2 into y plus 2. I'm just rewriting y square minus 4 as y minus 2 into y plus 2, right? So we have y equals 1 as solution 1, which means 2 to the power x, which is what we assumed earlier, right, is equals to 1, which means my x equals 0, which is one possible solution, and then my solution number 2, which is y equals 2, which means my 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power x equals 2, which means my x equals 1. So we've got two possible solutions for this, and then my solution 3 is y equals 3, which means, sorry, y equals minus 2, which means 2 to the power x is always positive, right, between 0 to infinity. So 2 to the power x cannot be negative, right? So this is not a possible solution. So we have two possible solutions for this equation, which is x equals 0 and x equals 1. So the right answer to this question will be two real solutions. This is our final answer. Thank you, folks. I hope you found this problem interesting. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.